Hello everybody, how are you? So I would like to show you a little bit about our Canvas class. Okay, this is our class here for this quarter. It's called ELA 30 F20. F means fall. Okay, now if we click on that class, I'm going to show you some things here that will really help you in the Canvas class. Once you click on our Canvas card or Canvas class, you'll come to this page automatically. This will show you recent announcements. This blue dot means it's a new announcement you have not read yet. If you click here, you can read the announcement for the day. I will post 1 or 2 announcements every day. To go back, you can click on Home again. This is the navigation bar. Okay, let's click on Home again on the navigation bar. Now, to start your work for the day, your coursework, you see it says Start Here. The arrow means if you click on there, there's going to be more items. Okay, this is called a module. If we click here, it will show you module items. Now your work for this day, it looks like there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things to do. Always look at the title. The title will have the date for the day. So Monday, September 21st, this is the work that you are going to do. You're going to click on the first module item. It says, please read if you didn't read last week. Here's the directions. Hi everyone, please click on the blue link below to see my welcome letter. Read it if you did not read it already. Okay, here's the blue link. Click there. There is my welcome letter. Okay, so you can read through that if you did not read it yet. Okay, now when you're finished reading this letter, you can go back here to this other tab. These are called tabs. So click on the tab to the left, that will get you back here. You can click next to get to the next thing. Okay, Introduction to Shauna video, read the directions, and you can click here or the arrow to start the video. Okay, you can click here to make the video screen bigger. Okay, and then click on the arrow to play the video. Okay, to go back, I'm going to click on Escape, and you can go to the next one. Okay. After that video, this one is Shauna's introduction video practice quiz. Now, Monday, September 21st, it's going to be unlocked. You will be able to do this practice quiz. Practice quiz means you are not going to be graded for it. It's just for you to practice. Go to the next one. Now, the next item for you to do is called the beginning of the quarter survey. This is just for my information. You're going to click the blue button here, take the survey. There's 20 questions here. Click the blue button, read the directions, very important. Okay, go through the 20 questions, and at the end, you're going to click on the Submit Quiz button, okay? And I'll be able to see your information and know more about you. You can always go back to the home page to see what you've missed. Okay, and this is the most important thing every day, the assignment. This is important to finish every day. That will count as your final attendance grade. If you finish every assignment every day, you're going to get 100% in your final attendance grade. You're going to click on the blue link here to look at the assignment. Okay, and I will show you the assignment. Now, for this assignment here, it says Part A, here's the title, 4 be verb sentences from Shauna's video. Read the directions. You're going to type in the text box, 4 be verb sentences. So down here, you'll see tomorrow, there's going to be a big box here. You're going to type the 4 sentences. Part B, 4 be verb sentences about me and my family. You're going to type 4 more sentences about yourself or a family member. So you will have 8 sentences typed in the text box. Remember to click that submit button to finish your assignment. Okay, so let me go back to the student view to what you can see. And here we have student view is coming. There we go. I will show you more information later. It's going to be important to look at your calendar. That will have some important information about upcoming things. Okay, we're going to have 2 Zoom meetings a week. If you go back to the dashboard, and here also, guys, on the left, this inbox, that's going to be how you write, how you can type a message to me or to your classmates. Let's go back to our class. Remember, click on our class to get in. And that's good for now. Here's the Zoom link. On Tuesday morning at 10 a.m., you're going to click on the Zoom link on Tuesday morning. Then you're going to click Open a New Tab to get directly to our Zoom class. You're going to always allow zoom.us to open links, open zoom.us, and then you can join from your browser. So you're going to click here to get to our Zoom meeting. Okay, that's it for today. Thanks, everybody. We will see you Tuesday morning. Bye-bye.